What if I told you that you can make money listening to music on Spotify? We all love listening to music and using it as a way to get rid of stress. But imagine having a side hustle that allows you to earn from listening to music. I'm not talking about a few bucks every hour. I'm talking about upwards of $300 in just a day of listening to music. And you can earn money listening to music while completing other day-to-day tasks. The truth is, you can make money listening to music on Spotify. In this video, I will discuss 6 of the most effective methods that you can use to earn money listening to music on Spotify. All of these methods are proven to work, and even I use some of them. Also, tune in for number 5 because it is 100% passive. Number 1, rate songs. Another way to make money on Spotify is to rate music. Many sites will pay you for rating music. However, the most credible and safest sites are Hit Predictor and Music X-Ray. All you need to do on either platform is to listen to music. On Hit Predictor, you will rate songs by new artists. You will earn points each time you rate a song. After earning a specific number of points, you can exchange them for money, Amazon or Xbox gift cards, prizes such as backstage passes or concert tickets, and more. Music X-Ray has all genres of music. Therefore, you can pick songs that you like in order to make cash. The platform will even let you know when a song from your genre is available. If you listen to a song for 10 seconds, you will earn $0.10. You will earn up to $2.50 if you listen to an entire song. These payments grow quickly, and you can earn about $300 to $500. Number 2, joining focus groups. Different online platforms will pay you for simply participating in music research. One of these platforms is Nielsen, a platform that pays you by just monitoring the music that you listen to. Swagbooks, Survey Junkie, and Music X-Ray also do this through focus group discussions. Swagbooks is also an amazing way to make money by taking simple surveys. Check out the video above to learn more. Music-based focus groups are simply just group conversations where people will discuss their musical interests and songs that they enjoy. The group generally has a moderator that leads the discussion. The moderator will ask members specific questions such as the things they like or dislike in a particular song, why you prefer a specific genre, whether the artist meets your expectations of a specific genre or not. All you need to do in these focus groups is share your opinions and answer the questions asked. With focus groups, you can earn more than the other types of research. Therefore, you should join as many focus groups as possible so that you can earn more money. Number 3, paid surveys. You can also make money by completing online surveys about music and song artists. Sites and apps like Pinecone Research, LifePoints, and Inbox Dollars carry out surveys that relate to new songs and artists. You can earn upwards of $1,000 per month on these websites. All you need to do is to listen to songs and complete surveys about them. These websites will email you different surveys once they are available. Therefore, pay attention to your inbox so that you can take advantage of these opportunities. Inbox Dollars is a great app that can also pay you for listening to music. The app can pay you quick cash for easy work. Number 4, review music. Since you can get paid for rating music, you can also get paid for reviewing it. Sites like Slice the Pie and Hit Predictor pay well for music reviews. After registering on these sites, you'll be shown a list of songs that you must review. Hit Predictor pays $1 for every 3 reviews. You will make more by writing lengthier reviews. This method is simple, and anyone can do it. But it isn't the highest paying method. Before I discuss the best and my favorite method for making money, consider liking and subscribing for more money-making methods. Number 5, listen to your playlist. You can also make money by listening to your playlist provided you use the right apps. For example, Nielsen is a great app that you can use to make money while listening to music. Nielsen makes money through research. When you download the app, you are giving Nielsen permission to access the songs that you listen to. The app will then pay you for participating in their research. Your privacy and safety are not at risk. The app is only concerned about the streaming platforms you use, the genre of music you listen to, and the marketing schemes that you respond to. The app will then sell the data to different companies, such as music labels and distributors. This app can be found on both App Store and Google Play. You can earn as much as $50, although you have opportunities to earn bonus rewards throughout the year. However, this method is completely passive because you aren't taking any surveys or writing any reviews. So you're literally just listening to music and making money. Number 6. Listen to music without closing ads. We all hate ads. They disrupt the flow of a song, thereby ruining the listening experience. But would you still skip ads if you knew you could make money by not skipping them? In the music industry, there are different opportunities that you can use to make money by watching ads. However, services such as Radio Earn pay listeners some portion of their advert revenues to create hype about a song and gain more listeners. The advertisements play for only a few seconds, and you can make more money by listening to more ads. Most of these platforms pay through PayPal, so you don't have to worry about giving your bank information to them. How much can you earn listening to music on Spotify? The actual figure depends on the specific method you focus on. You can also earn $1,000 or more per month when you complete music-related surveys on Pinecone Research, LifePoints, and Inbox Dollars. One last question. Is it possible to make cash from a playlist on Spotify? Yes, you can make money from a Spotify playlist. There are specific methods that you can use to generate a stream of income by making a decent playlist. But you need to attract a lot of listeners to your playlists, which can be difficult. So your focus should be on getting people to listen to your playlist. As revealed in this post, there are many ways to make money listening to music on Spotify. If you enjoy listening to music, you should follow the methods discussed. Although it may sound too good to be true at first, you can earn a living from listening to music if you have the right methods and work enough. As you become more experienced, you will be able to gather skills and knowledge about the music business, thereby enabling you to increase your income exponentially. If you need an easy way to make money from listening to music on Spotify, you can start by listening to music without skipping ads. This is not only easy, but it also does not require any technical skills. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more money-making methods.